don't understand anything. Please, help me.
What don't you understand?
The whole thing.
You can look at your questions now. You have 2 hours. All the best.
We observe full exam protocol for invigilation, even for this test. So beware.
Hey, sister. You look very dull. Adam.
Charlie.
I know they failed today's lectures at all. You're going to revisit the test we did yesterday. I know they see talk, Charlie. My sister looks sharp. It's not the end of the world.
Win some, lose some.
Yeah. You get face powder.
Well, you know I don't use the stuff.
Where is your roommate?
Bathroom.
Bathroom.
Hey, where are you going? Giselle is going to look for trouble.
This will not end well.
Sure.
Guys, did you just see 2 Akweleys? One that just walked in, downbeaten, very much weather beaten, and another one that just walked out looking sexy.
Hey, are you sure this will kill? What about us?
Oozing sex.
Raw.
Hey!
Who entered my room?
Easy. No one here has gone into your room.
Really? Are you guys sure? Really? Don't blame me. Okay? Don't blame me. Yo.
Of UMOJA.
Darling. Oh, yes, I enjoyed them very much. Thank you. Everything good at your end? Okay, have a good one. Love you. Come in. Wow.
Good morning, sir. I'm sorry for coming without your permission.
Have a seat. I guess this is why you're here?
Sir, yes. I know I really flunked it.
What happened?
Sir, I guess I just haven't grasped the concept of it.
Why didn't you come and see me before the test? Yeah. Hello? Yeah. Yes. 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 Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. 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 Mm-hmm.
Sister Giselle. Something just hit me, guys. It may sound crazy, but I think my roommate is a fraud.
That's no news. Who doesn't know Giselle is a fraud?
No, I don't mean that. I mean academic fraud. I don't believe she attends the same school. We attended 1 or 2 psychology classes at the beginning of the sem. But then ever since then, I've not seen her at any faculty. I see her only at hostels.
Evelyn, do you know what you are saying?
Wait, oh. Come to think of it, I've never seen Giselle on campus. It's as if she attends another university. And a friend of mine was telling me she says she majors in business administration.
That's not what I know. Before we became roommates, we attended a psychology class together. And she told me that she was studying psychology, economics, and then history.
The plot thickens. But you guys, what set off this sudden suspicion about her?
It just hit me last week when I reminded her of a mid-sem that we had and she had no idea.
If I was the one who had brought up this theory, or is it hypothesis? You guys would have termed me a gossip. This deserves crucial scrutiny.
Well, there is only one way to find out.
Evelyn.
Evelyn.
Hey. Who let you in?
Oh, come on. Why are you so hostile? I thought we were friends.
So what do you want? What do you want?
Well, it's all about the hostel fee.
What about it? Oh! You have not paid, eh? Look, the deadline is next week, and I am going to sack all of those of you who have not paid. I'm going to sack all of you. You people think that this place is a welfare shelter or a refugee camp. Eh? I am going to sack all of you. Me. Tete.
And that's exactly why I'm here.
Look, hey, don't come and do those
Come here. That's my boy.
Yes.
Now come to Mama.
Sir, I was hoping you can give Dr. Bison! Sir! Sir!
Oh, okay. Hey! Oh, good, Jake! Just a minute.
Right. At the service.
There's a student in my office. She did very badly in the recent test. I believe it would be good to give her a tutorial. Please take care of her for me. I have a bit of an emergency.
Okay, Doc. I can handle that. Emergency. Is everything okay?
No, nothing he can't solve. The God we serve, oh, Yehovah Mawu, he's a powerful God. Medakbe, oh, Medakbe, oh.
Good. You see, this can actually be easy if you behave.
Okay, I'll behave.
All be yours. Relax, relax. All this can be yours if you behave yourself.
Oh, I will behave. I think I'm behaving.
Yes. Mr. T.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, hi, darling.
Dr. Boyson sent me to come and help you.
What?
He says you need tutorials.
Indeed. How can you help me when you can't even look at my face? Eh? Where am I, Kakai? What's going on? Why is everybody running away from me? What? But I'm okay. What is all this? Oh God, I need to really find out.
Hey, Jesus.
Giselle.
My goodness.
Hey. Giselle.
Hey. So what do we do?
Report to the hostel manager of us.
On what charges?
That she's practicing occultism. She's definitely into the dark arts. Don't you see?
And how did we find out? Have you forgotten we sneaked in to come see this?
Whatever. Whatever. We have to find a way. We cannot share this hostel with her. Hey, this is wickedness.
Hey! Evelyn.
Hey!
What are you going to do? Leave this room immediately. Only God knows what she has been putting in my food, drinks, and so on. I even shudder to think.
It's not your boyfriend too. Wait. No. Akoko tea.
Ebopa. Bese. Prekese.
Bidie. Hey, nipa ye wicked. Hey, chemical woman. She's just mixing.
Strength. I can't fall. Give me strength. Strength, Lord, strength. I can't fall. No. I can't fall.
Yep.
Hey! What is it? Hey, Lord of Jesus! Jesus Christ!
Hey, what's going on?
Akweley.
What?
Are you still wearing Giselle's makeup?
Why? Everybody is running away from me. Why are you guys doing it? Please.
Akweley, please do what she says. We'll talk after. We beg.
Hey!
We beg.
Wow. You guys are my friends.
Akweley.
You can't do this.
You guys want to get her?
Hey! Go after her, please.
Mr. T.
Please, where are you going?
Well, you know what you have to do.
Yes.
Like I said, you know the deal already. You know what you're supposed to do.
Yes.
Everything you see now can all be yours. I will be available anytime you need me.
Okay.
If you don't send me out of the
No.
hostel.
No. That is okay. You are not going to pay hostel fee again. And I'll do anything you want.
That's fine, Mr. T. But you see, that's not enough.
Okay.
Hey.
So, please take this for go to lunch and buy some food and soft drinks, okay?
This is okay. But give me this. Let's see. What do you have here? Ooh. Where did you say you live again?
Big Base. Big Base is after like chocolate mami. Big Base.
Oh, okay. I think this should be enough for transport back home, shouldn't it?
Please, my wife said I should buy a cough mixture and then buy garlic and kotobi. She wants to make a granite soup.
But you're the hostel manager. You'll be fine.
Oh, please. You see,
Mr. T.
It's okay. I'll tell you I forgot.
Good boy.
Thank you.
I'll see you later.
Oh, please, are you leaving? Oh, wait. Oh. Please wait. Oh, please wait for me.
Why Giselle was so furious and threatening this morning. You saw her face.
Are you guys sure? Really? Don't blame me. Okay? Don't blame me. Yo.
I'm afraid though. Do I still stay in this hostel or where do I even go?
That's a very good question.
Wow.
Hey, trip. Wow, you see Mumusi's bald head.
Wow, she. Manager moi.
Wow.
There. See your knight in shining armor. Reduced to party. Poor guy. Jama idea no.
Shackled. Pure juju.
Hey, Area Sepa. She must have charmed him.
I tell you.
Hey, I will confront her.
No,
hey, Giselle.
Confront her for what?
Why shouldn't I?
No,
I'll confront her.
You don't have to. A cha.
House of UMOJA.